think that's a highlight of events like this is folks come and learn more about from experts. They become experts themselves, and when they return to their institutions, when they begin to follow their lines of interest, that's an opportunity to share what they've learned and really broaden the larger ocean science community. I'm Caitlin Lauder. I'm a program manager at the Ocean Foundation.
I am Professor Yao Jean-Paul from Côte d'Ivoire.
My name is Katie Roach. I'm a research associate at Woods Hole Oceanographic Institution.
Hi, my name's Wynn Johnson and I'm from the United States. I'm a professor at the University of North Carolina, Wilmington in the chemistry department. We've been working on a wide variety of projects. We actually have a sediment group and a water group this year. And we went out to the Denzu Delta, just west of Accra, earlier this week, and we were able to collect an entire transect along the river in the Delta. It was a bit of an adventure. We went out in fishing boats for the sampling, so I've never sampled from a fishing boat before, and I think a lot of the participants hadn't either, so it was a bit of an adventure. But they were really engaged. We were using a probe to measure temperature and salinity, so the participants were doing that. They were taking turns. They were collecting zooplankton and phytoplankton with a net for the planktoscope that Max Saito brought, and so they were all getting to try that. They were learning about proper sampling techniques, so triple rinsing your bottles. We also had somebody along Amina who was doing mercury sampling, so the participants got to kind of rotate around and try all of these different types of sampling techniques. So I think that's maybe what they really enjoyed, was getting to try so many different new things and just get exposed to a lot of new techniques that they weren't familiar with.
So with the Biogeochemistry group this year, we have a multitude of instructors with different discipline areas. We have a group working on sedimentology, another working on mass spec contaminants, and I'm working with the omics group. So I'm working with Max Saito, and we're bringing some new technologies in a more accessible and portable way to look at DNA and nucleic acids, as well as proteins and other biomolecules in the environment.
It's been really wonderful to see how the students have become engaged in the work. We allowed them to choose their area of focus within the team, and so they really got to dive into that niche topic that speaks most to them. One of my favorite aspects was today we were running DNA extractions and running them through gels to determine if our processes had worked. I hadn't done that before, and one of the participants showed me how to do it. That was a highlight of this school.
We are also taking a lot of samples home with us to do all kinds of additional analyses that we're going to be able to bring back to future summer schools to really be able to integrate both chemical and biological factors in this delta. So we're excited to see what the data shows in future years.
Je suis Jean-Paul de l'Université en Côte d'Ivoire. Je suis venu ici à Coessing 2025 et ça a été profitable pour nous, parce que ça nous a permis d'enseigner, ça nous a permis de partager notre savoir et de connaître, de rencontrer d'autres amis, d'autres chercheurs pour pouvoir donc essayer de comprendre notre environnement. Coessing 2025 est une très bonne chose pour l'Afrique.